Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you quickly how I clean my crabs. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove this area. Okay, so after removing that part, then I'm going to cut right through the center to divide the crab into two. You would need a big knife for this, guys. So this is my biggest knife. Okay, so it worked out perfectly well. So after cutting through the center, then you have this messy part inside. So it's a combination of the meat and also the messy part. The next thing I'm going to do is to clean the messy area with water before I proceed to the next step. Okay, so I'm going to be using water to rinse off this area. Okay, so I'll just allow the water to run over that area and to remove all those slimy waste. And then I'm going to remove this part. There's nothing inside it. I'll remove that part, and I'll also remove this area as well. Okay, so after removing all the messy areas, then this is what you will end up with. This part of the chest that has a lot of meat, and also the legs of the crab that has some meat as well. All the messy part has been removed. So I'm now going to proceed to the next step, which is preparation and cutting of the crab. So I have cleaned the other side as well with running water. The next thing I'm going to do is to prepare the crab for my recipe by making sure that I cut them nicely. So for this part, I either use the knife or I use my hands. This time around, I'm going to use my hand. I'll show you how I use my hand. So I basically just twist. At this point, I twist it and then the leg comes off. So for this part, I also pull this part out because there's nothing here, it's just claws, but you have to be really careful with the claws because it can be really sharp. For the other part of the claw, I'm going to use the knife like this to remove that side. So you can either keep this together for your recipe, or you can go ahead to even twist this to separate both sides. Okay, I'm going to do the same for this side, and then I'm going to leave this part intact. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other side and prepare the other side for my recipe. Okay. Okay. So this is the part of the crab with the most meat. The crab is now ready to be used for my recipe. I'm also going to go ahead to remove the tips of the claws as well, because we don't need those parts for the recipe. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to prepare my crab for the recipe. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, give me a thumbs up and share. If you want to see one of the recipes that I'm going to prepare with this crab, you will see them on either the left or the right side of your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe as well. See you on my next video. Bye.